Hey, this is Tony Sagami. I want to talk to you a little bit this week about gambling. Now, if you remember about 4 weeks ago, I did a report live from Singapore. I was making a couple of visits to the new casino that had been built there, and I told you that the foot traffic was pretty disappointing, and perhaps Las Vegas Sands was a stock you should stay away from. Well, Las Vegas Sands did report their second quarter earnings, and they went from horrible to just lousy. Las Vegas Sands reported a loss of $4.7 million last quarter. Now that's a huge improvement from the $222 million they lost the same quarter a year ago. Now Las Vegas Sands is very well known for its opulent Venetian and Palazzo Casino in Las Vegas. But the thing to remember about Las Vegas Sands is 80% of its revenues come from Asia. That's right, 80% from Asia. Now I'm still telling you not to touch Las Vegas Sands. The ticker on Las Vegas Sands is LVS, but I wouldn't touch it. Let me give you some numbers. First of all, Las Vegas revenues dropped by 13.6%. Not good. Even that brand new Marina Sands casino that they're so proud of, that Wall Street seems to be enamored with, they only had a 55% occupancy rate, and they are charging, I think, too high of a rate of getting almost $226 a night. And the worst thing at Las Vegas Sands, because of all that aggressive expansion, the Marina Sands Casino in Vegas itself cost almost $6 billion. They have $10.2 billion of long-term debt overhanging their head, and almost 20% of that is due within the next 24 months. That's a pretty scary picture. Now, on the other hand, the casinos in Macau, not Singapore, not Las Vegas, the casinos in Macau are doing quite different. Businesses there is great. Revenues increased by 40% year over year in Macau, and their profits increased by 328%. That's right, 328% to and revenues are up to 1.04 billion, and profits jumped to 133 million. Pretty darn good numbers. The thing is that the Macau Sands is lumped in with LVS, the home parent, and that's why it's not a good investment. If you could somehow separate the Macau casinos from the rest of Las Vegas Sands, you'd have something well worth looking at. But guess what? You can do that. Sands China, that's the name of the Macau division, Sands China. It actually trades on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange, and the ticker is 1928.HK, 1928.HK. That's Sands China. It's currently around $12 a share in the Hong Kong dollars. But that translates only about $1.80 in U.S. dollars, so less than $2 a share. Now, on the other hand, Sands China does trade on the U.S. over-the-counter market under the ticker SCHYY.PK. That's SCHYY.PK. So take a look at Las Vegas Sands. As a matter of fact, it's not the only little hidden gem over there. Wynn also separated its Macau casino, and Wynn Macau separately trades itself. It's also on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange at 1128.HK, 1128.HK, and it too also trades on the over-the-counter market at WYNMF.PK, WYNMF.PK. So there's two ways that you can zero in on the very, very best of the gambling business and forget about the Las Vegas properties that are dragging them all down. So Asia continues to be one of the bright spots in any American company's balance sheet if they're smart enough to be doing some business there. Until next week, this is Tony Sagami signing off.